Remember when ads were exciting? They were a spectacle, a part of our daily lives that we actually looked forward to. Those catchy jingles and memorable slogans stuck with us for years. Big, bold, and impossible to miss. They were everywhere, from billboards towering over busy streets to full-page spreads in glossy magazines. Ads were designed to grab your attention and hold it. Those days are fading, darling. People are tired of being bombarded with irrelevant ads. The constant noise has made them tune out, and now they actively avoid ads with tools like ad blockers. They're savvier now, and they know what they want. Consumers do their own research, compare products online, and read reviews before making a decision. They want value and relevance. Traditional advertising, like TV commercials and billboards, just doesn't cut it anymore. These methods are becoming obsolete as people skip commercials and ignore print ads. Those old ads are costly and less effective than they used to be. Businesses are spending more money for less return, and it's frustrating for marketers who are trying to make an impact. It's like trying to sell ice to Eskimos. The mismatch between what businesses are offering and what consumers want is glaringly obvious. Businesses need a new approach, something that speaks directly to the right customer at the right time. Personalized, targeted marketing is the future, where ads are tailored to individual preferences. That's where OnPassive comes in, sweetie. OnPassive offers innovative solutions that help businesses connect with their audience in a meaningful way, ensuring that every ad counts. But before we continue, please don't forget me. Please like, comment, and subscribe below. Thanks.
Traditional advertising relies on casting a wide net. It's like trying to catch a specific fish by throwing a giant net into the ocean. You might think you're increasing your chances, but in reality, you're just creating more work for yourself. You might catch something, but it's likely not what you were looking for. Instead of getting the prized fish, you end up with a mix of everything, most of which you don't need. These ads reach a broad audience, but many people seeing them aren't interested. They walk by without a second glance or scroll past without a thought. This makes traditional advertising inefficient and expensive. Companies pour money into these campaigns hoping for a return that often doesn't come. Businesses spend a fortune trying to reach everyone, but they only connect with a small percentage of potential customers. The return on investment is low, and the frustration is high. It's like trying to water a single flower with a fire hose. The effort is overwhelming, and the results are far from satisfactory. It's messy, wasteful, and frankly, darling, a bit ridiculous. Modern marketing needs a more targeted approach, one that focuses on reaching the right audience with the right message.
OnPassive offers a breath of fresh air in the advertising world, sweetie. They're pioneers in artificial intelligence, AI, targeted marketing. Imagine a world where ads are tailored just for you, based on your interests and needs. No more irrelevant commercials or annoying pop-ups.
OnPassive's AI-powered platform analyzes data to understand customer behavior. This allows businesses to target their ideal customers with personalized messages. It's like having a personal shopper for your advertising needs. Section 4. AI marketing. What is it? In this section, we will dive deep into the fascinating world of AI marketing and explore how it is revolutionizing the advertising industry.
AI marketing uses the power of computers to make advertising smarter. It leverages advanced algorithms and machine learning to analyze vast amounts of data, making it possible to create highly targeted and personalized marketing campaigns. Think of it like a super-powered detective for your business. This detective can sift through mountains of information to find the most relevant insights, helping you make informed decisions.
It gathers clues about your potential customers, like what they like, what they buy, and where they hang out online. By understanding their digital footprint, AI can predict future behaviors and preferences with remarkable accuracy.
Then, AI uses these clues to show the right ads to the right people at the right time. This ensures that your marketing efforts are not wasted and that your message reaches those who are most likely to be interested. It's like having a secret weapon that helps you connect with customers who are already interested in what you're selling. With AI marketing, you can build stronger relationships with your audience, increase engagement, and ultimately drive more sales.
Section 5. Benefits of AI marketing.
AI marketing is like having a personal assistant for your advertising, darling. It's efficient, effective, and incredibly precise.
Businesses can save money by targeting only the most receptive audience. No more wasted resources on people who aren't interested.
But it's not just about saving money, sweetie. AI marketing helps businesses build stronger relationships with their customers. By delivering personalized experiences, businesses can connect with their audience on a deeper level.
Section 6, AI marketing, the smart choice.
The future of marketing is here, darling, and it's powered by AI. OnPassive is leading the charge with its innovative platform.
Traditional advertising is becoming a thing of the past, like shoulder pads and leg warmers.
It's time for businesses to embrace the power of AI and revolutionize their marketing strategies. In 2024 and beyond, AI-targeted marketing is no longer a luxury, sweetie. It's a necessity. For more information about OnPassive and how we will market for you, please go to the description below. Thank you ever so much and have a wonderful day.